If you or a family member has been involved in a semi-truck crash accident in the state of Indiana and you've decided to talk to an attorney, there's a few things that you should consider. First, you should act quickly. The trucking companies and their insurers already have a rapid response team ready to go on a moment's notice. So while you and your loved one are being transported to the hospital, this response team is collecting the evidence that they like. And you know what? They're not paying any attention to the evidence that helps you. That evidence is going unnoticed by them. So then you hear from a claims adjuster who acts very friendly and wants you to talk to him and wants you to believe that you don't need a lawyer. By the time you figure out that the claims adjuster is not really on your side and he's not your friend, a lot of important evidence could be lost or destroyed. Second, when you do hire a lawyer, you need to find someone who really knows the trucking litigation process. Truck wreck cases are not big car wreck cases. A lawyer who is good at regular car wreck cases may not understand the federal regulations that control and regulate the trucking industry. A trucking lawyer needs to know those regulations, and they need to understand how to use them in cases. The trucking insurance is different. The technology is different. The trucking industry is different. The trucking tactics and techniques are used in trial are different. So you need someone who understands the differences. Third, if your case is in Indiana, you need a lawyer who is in Indiana. I practiced law in Indiana since 1967. I know Indiana. I was born here, I was educated here, and I have been practicing law here since 1967. There are a few law firms around the country that have websites that make it look like they're from Indiana. They most likely don't even know how to pronounce the names of our 92 counties, much less know the names of our judges. If they are willing to mislead you about where they are they also willing to mislead you about other things? Fourth, no matter where your case is in Indiana, it's always good to have a lawyer on your side who practices law in Indiana. So if you've been in a serious semi-truck collision case in Indiana, I hope you'll give me a call to see how I can help you. My telephone number is 1-800-CALL-KEN. And that's easy to remember because it has my name in it. 1-800-CALL-KEN. And I want to say thank you and call me immediately so that I can get out there and collect the evidence that favors you and protects your case.